Today I am sharing with you a way that I marry two patterns together. So this is McCall's 7574. I'm using it for the skirt. I like this rounded bottom and the split side. And I'm using McCall's 6964 for the top, using the V-neck version, which I have altered. And so this is how we start. So here we are, pattern and fabric laid out. I'm going to lay down the bodice first. So here's the bodice, and right here is my waistline mark on the bodice, the t-shirt, and I'm going to take the waistline mark right here of the skirt, the portion I'm using for a skirt, and I'm just going to line them up. Make sure everything's laying on the fold as it should. Put on my very technical pattern weights. Make sure everything's on there. Because I want to follow this bodice line, I'm going to just fold it like this so that the pattern piece does not get in the way. Let me demonstrate how we're going to lay out the back. So on this other side, I have laid out the back of the McCall's 6964, placing the pattern weights above where the waistline marking is. Then I'm going to take my McCall's 7574, the front piece actually, because I'm using the skirt. There's not a difference in that. The difference in this McCall's 7574 is that the back is not placed on the fold. I want it to be placed on the fold so it'll match up easily with my t-shirt McCall's pattern. So I'm going to align the waistline marks and then align, seem to be having a bit of an issue. Then also align the place on the fold marks. Just start placing some pattern weights. I'm going to fold this down out of the way like I did on the front piece. So when I'm cutting out, it will not get in the way. Okay, we're coming to where the pattern pieces are merging at this waistline, and so I want to transfer to the skirt portion of the pattern, and with that there are some markings, so I need to be sure as I cut that I cut those markings out. Now I'm just laying out the remainder of the pieces for the top of this dress, which is the sleeve that goes with McCall's 6964, as well as the neck band for 6964. So the videos show how to cut out the dress. The sewing part of the dress is just like making a t-shirt. So you do the shoulder seams, then you do the neck band, and there are various camps on how to do the sleeves. But for this dress, I did the side seams of the dress, and then I inserted the sleeves, and then I hemmed. I really enjoy this dress, and it is going to get a lot of wear. I'm thinking of more pattern combinations that I can use to make some more wonderful casual dresses for myself and my two girls for the summer. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And if you have any suggestions or ideas on how you kind of go outside the pattern and make yourself something custom and special just for you, an idea that you have, I would love to hear about it. Until next time, I hope you're sewing up a storm.